Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sasha Lacuna, representing Tarlac Province.
Mabuhay Pilipinas and hello universe. This is Eliana Marie Aduana, your Miss Universe Philippines, Sinalaan, Laguna. And it's really an honor to have you all here in this room.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Chelsea Fernandez, ang inyong Miss Universe Philippines 2025 mula sa probinsya ng Sultan Kudarat.
Maupay nga adlaw, kamusta ka mo tanan? This is Angela Hermosa Cabel representing the City of Hope, Tacloban City.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Katrina Legado, and I'm representing my provincialidad, Taguig City, and I'm so happy to see everyone here today.
Mabuhay, malayo na adlaw sa tanan. I am Daniel Anguial Catalan, and I'm representing Tandag City, the beautiful province of Surigao del Sur. It's lovely meeting everyone, and good afternoon.
Hi everyone, this is Thea Samantha de Guzman Nacanlalay, representing one of the hottest city in the Philippines, Cagayan City. I think you can feel the heat right now, right? Catalustadas Universe, mi nombre es Casey Delgasta, representante de Zamboanga.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, ladies. All right.